Ey, yaw. Macha gima neno gi wang'a joka nyalo buko ya buka ng'anyo. King'ayo wang'a ndara. They ban the road, yeah. They ban. Magi joma walo. Magi manyaka record statement na. Ambe duonda nyaka dhiye ya. Hey, magi nama policeman ong'eyo. Yes, hello, officer. You are talked to Engineer Ramanus. Yes, eyewitness of the striking people. Yes, Ponge Road. In fact, they banned the tarmac. Yes, I'm the witness. I'm the eyewitness. In fact, I saw it. Eye to eye. In fact, I wrote it down. Yes. I thought of writing it down so that I can read it to you. You asking what happened? Okay. What happened was the vehicle was running at a faster speed. In fact, it passed me quick. The time I thought to read its number plate, ile namba ya matako yake. Yes, number plate. Yes, I just found nothing at my back. Officer, I was almost ran away. Yes, my English is good. You know, me and Megona, we read at same school. Yes, so I decided to went back when I found human beings striking. Wale watu walikuwa wanagomo. Yes, human beings striking. I asked them, why striking? And they told me that they wanted bumpy. Yani, bumps at the road to lower speedy and faster vehicles. Officer, I wrote it down. See, I told you. Yes, but me, I did join them. I did join them. I just go back. Yes, I just go back to swim. I told you, officer, the river was flowing speedy, and the waters was very ice. Yes, I said so. I did swim. And I said to yes. Sorry? Yes, okay. I did swim. Yes. I did swim. Yes. I gone home. Yani, I did swim, then I gone home to eat and few food. You know me with food, oh. Yes, I eaten food and said to swim or wash my body tomorrow. That's all, officer. Yes, that's what happened. I saw it. Everything I told you, I saw it. Yes, in fact, I wrote it down. Yes, officer. I just thought this will help you. They banded the road very bad. In fact, tarmac is not tarmac again. No. Tarmac is holes. Thank you, officer. Thank you. Yes, Engineer Ramanus. Thank you. Wan be wajok manoko wangu fibwa. Ne wasomo. Kizungu wagoyo maratari. Dong na giwe ni giriek. Giwe ni ponge kaji ofuwe. Dong wachwado kizungu.